OLX classified marketplace website and application like OLX, quicker. Download app from Play Store and install and check our demo. When you open application, you will see ads category, features ads, latest ads, slider ads, etc. Now click to side menu and log in or create a new account by email or social media. When you create a new account, you need to add name, email address, mobile number, password and accept term and conditions and click to register button. Now your account creates successfully. Now you can check all features ads. Also you can check all latest ads by click to view all button. You can also find ads by advanced search option. User also find ads by location filter option.
Now buyer also check any ads details in single ads section. Buyer also see features image and gallery image, ads name, price, condition and more details about ads. Buyer also check seller location in Google Map. Buyer also share ads directly to other social media or other platform. Also save any ads to favorite section.
And also report any ads. Buyer also send message to seller and also call to seller. Buyer also give rating to any ads. If user want to sell any products, he can also upload his own ads by click to upload symbol. First enter ads name, select ads category which kind of your products have and click to next button. Now upload features image and gallery images. Now select ads type like buy or sell products. Now select price type fixed or negotiable, and add price. Now also select currency symbol according to your own country. Also select warranty available or not.
You can also add details about your products in description section. After add description you can click to next. Now you can add your name, contact number, and select your country and city. And add your address by manually or automatic fill. And accept terms and condition and click to post ad button to publish your post. After that your ad successfully publish. Buyer and seller also check his profile and edit his personal information. Seller also check ads posting package and package section. Now when ads sold successfully, seller also change status to ads by click to my ads section and edit ads to active or sold or expired. Now user also check favorite ads, features ads, expired or sold ads, most visit ads by particular section. Thank you for watching video. Kindly contact us by WhatsApp or visit www.rtitech.com.